Hey, want to get Kinemaster up and running directly on your PC? We've uncovered the absolute best method to make it happen, and in this video, we'll break it down in just under 60 seconds. Don't blink. Alright, so their team doesn't offer an official desktop build, meaning it's mobile only. Because of that, we're going to bypass this limitation using an emulator. You can score the absolute best one right now on our website. Once the Play Store finishes setting it up inside the emulator, go ahead and boot it up. Here we are on the main dashboard. There's a massive library of pre-made templates to choose from, and you can even scroll through their short-form feed, which feels just like TikTok. Let's kick off a fresh project now to ensure everything is running flawlessly. As you can see, everything runs absolutely flawlessly, meaning you can fully enjoy this app right from your desktop. Massive thanks for dropping by.